So we're out here today doing maintenance and commissioning of this makeup air system. It provides fresh air and conditioned air to a dining hall and a kitchen area. It's got 4 stages of cooling, so as the stages are needed, they will come on. As they're not needed, they will turn off. At certain temperatures outside, this unit will go into economizer mode and bring in cool air, and that will eliminate the need for mechanical cooling. It's a great system. It's a water source system. The important things with it are maintaining the system pressures, the operating pressures, the water flow, the mechanical valves that allow flow to the system, the water filtration strainers, air filters. The variable frequency drives on this machine are amazing. They have no problems at all. Making sure they match up with the motors is critical.